restore what life has torn apart.
I walk through shadows, I breathe in pain. I try to stand here, but fall again. I've carried heartache too long, too far, but in your presence you hold my star. You calm the thunder inside my chest. You speak your mercy over my mess. Restore my heart, restore my heart. I'm opening every door. Jesus, take me far. Restore my heart, restore my heart. You turn my trembling nights into sacred light. I've been divided, I've been undone, lost in the battle. I never won. You lift my failure, erase my shame. You breathe compassion into my name. You steady rhythms of broken breath. You pull me closer from fear to rest. Restore my heart, restore my heart. I'm opening every door. Jesus, take me far. Restore my heart, restore my heart. You turn my trembling nights into sacred light. You make me whole again. You make me breathe again. You make me rise again. Lord, speak life again. You make me whole again. You make me breathe again. You make me rise again. Lord, speak life again. You make me whole again. You make me breathe again. You make me rise again. Lord, speak life again. You make me whole again. You make me breathe again. You make me rise again. Lord, speak life again. Restore my heart, restore my heart. My soul is open wide. Jesus, come inside. Restore my heart, restore my heart. Your love is healing me, setting my spirit free. Jesus, thank you for restoring my heart. Jesus, I come again. Heal what I can't hold.
My heart feels heavy, my soul feels tired. I'm holding pieces, I'm losing fire. You see my weakness,
You see my fear.
you take my silence and draw me near.
You lift my spirit.
You calm my mind, you mend the places I try to hide. Heal what's broken, heal what's broken. I open all I am. Jesus, come again. Heal what's broken, heal what's broken. You turn my darkest nights into holy light. Oh.
I lay my burdens.
I drop my guard.
You hold my failures.
You take my scars. You breathe on ruins. You speak to dust. You pull me closer to perfect love. You calm my heartbeat. You break my chains. You pour your mercy on every pain. Heal what's broken, heal what's broken. I open all I am. Jesus, come again and heal what's broken, heal what's broken. You turn my darkest nights into holy light. You make me whole again. You make me breathe again. You make me rise again. Lord, speak life again. You make me whole again. You make me breathe again. You make me rise again. Lord, speak life again. You make me whole again. You make me breathe again. You make me rise again. Lord, speak life again. Heal what's broken, heal what's broken. My heart is open wide. Jesus, step inside and heal what's broken, heal what's broken. Your love is healing me, setting my spirit free. Heal what's broken, heal what's broken. I open all I am. Jesus, come again and heal what's broken, heal what's broken. You turn my darkest nights into holy light. Ooh. Jesus, thank you for healing what's broken. that's torn inside, trying to fix the broken places only you can realign. I'm tired of running circles, tired of hiding in the dark. So here I am surrendering every shadow in my heart. Lord, I've carried heavy burdens, ones you never asked me to. I've been fighting battles in my stead. So take the weight I'm holding, take the fear that makes me fall. I don't want control, I just want you. I don't want the answers, just your voice so clear. So come and fill the empty, come restore my soul. Lord, take every worry, I'm giving it all. Lord, take it all, take it all, take it all. Every fear, every tear, every wall that I built up. Lord, take it all. Lord, Lord, take it all, take it all. Every chain, every pain, I surrender to your love. Take it all, Lord, take it all, take it all, Lord. Breathe on me, Lord. Heal what I can't see, break what needs breaking, so your glory rests on me. Oh Lord, I need your touch. Yes, breathe on me. Take my scars, take my fears, take the nights I cried alone. Take my doubt, take my shame, make this heart your holy home, holy home. Lord, take it all, take it all, take it all. Every fear, every tear, you already know them all. Lord, take it all. Oh, take it all, take it all. I lay down everything, Jesus, you can have it all. Take it all, I surrender everything, Lord. Take it all, oh Lord, take over me. Oh Lord, take over me. Oh Lord, take over me. Yeah, over me. In the stillness I can feel you breathe. My heart is weak, my soul is tired,
But in your grace I am revived. You see my scars, you hold my pain, you wash me clean again and again.
when I fall to my knees.
Ooh.
Your mercy Take over me, oh Lord. Take over me. Whisper of your spirit falling here tonight. I open up my heart, let your fire ignite. I've tried the world, but it leaves me dry. Only in your presence can my soul come alive. I'm thirsty, I'm waiting, I'm crying for more. Come and fill this temple, Lord, let your glory pour. Consume me, Lord, with your holy fire. I surrender all. You're my one desire. Oh, consume me, Lord, till there's nothing left. Burn away my fear. Yeah, give me holy breath. Break every chain, lift the weight I bear. Cover me in mercy, meet me in prayer. My soul is aching, I'm desperate undone. I won't let you go until heaven has come. Consume me, Lord, with your holy fire. I surrender all. You're my one desire. Oh, consume me, Lord, till there's nothing I wasn't alone. You saw my pain and held me near. Your love erased my every fear.
You saw my scars and loved me still. You calmed my heart, you made me heal. Through every storm, you pulled me through. I know my life belongs to you.
You are
my friend,
my beginning and my end.
you never leave.
You make me new.
Every breath belongs to you.
I belong to you, oh Lord. Every piece of me is yours. When I lift my hands, you lift me too. I belong to you. I belong to you, oh yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. I belong to you.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
I belong to
You.
you. You know my heart, you see my pain.
You wash my past. You break my chains.
You call me yours, you make me new.
Forever I belong to you. I belong to you, oh Lord. Every breath inside me roars.
When I lift my hands, you lift me too. I belong to you.
I belong to you. I belong to you.
Forever yours.
I belong.
Forever yours.
Forever true. I belong.
I belong to you. You know my heart, you call me yours. I
belong to you. Yeah. I belong to you. I belong to you. I belong to you. I belong to you. take over me. When the night falls and fear strength that lifts my soul. When I can't see the way before me, you whisper peace and take control. You are my refuge, you are my grace. You're the fire I can't escape. never alone, never alone. You're always by my side, and every shadow fades away when your light is all I see. And my heart is broken. My heart is broken when I can't find my way. I can't find my way. You remind me gently I call your name and peace comes in. Your holy presence makes me stand again.
You see my tears when no one sees. You breathe your hope inside of me.
Through every valley, every night, your gentle hand becomes my guiding light. Stay near me, Father.
Stay close, my friend.
You're my beginning and my end.
Hold my heart
steady.
Make me brand new.
Every breath I have belongs to you. Stay with me, Lord.
Stay with me, Lord. Every moment, every battle, I need you more.
Stay with me, Lord.
Stay with me, Lord.
When I lift my hands,
You lift me too.
stay with me, Lord. Stay with me, stay with me, Lord.
Stay with me, Lord.
Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, Lord.
You see my fear.
You see my fear, you heal my soul.
You break my chains. You take control. You call me yours. You make me new. Lord, every day I run to you.
Every breath inside me calls your name. Oh Lord,
Stay with me, Lord. Stay with me, Lord. When I lift my hands, you lift me too. Stay with me,
stay with me,
stay with me,
stay with me,
stay with me.
Never leave, never move.
Stay with me, Lord. I belong to you.
Don't leave my side.
Hold me.
Oh Lord, stay with me, Lord.
Stay